In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your password on the Crunchyroll app. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Crunchyroll app on your device. Then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. This will open your account settings. Now scroll down and select password. On the browser page, enter the email address associated with your Crunchyroll account. Then tap on send. Now open your email inbox and look for a message from Crunchyroll. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotion folder. Now click on the password reset link provided. Enter your new password and confirm it. Then tap on reset password to finalize the change. And that's it. You have successfully changed your password on the Crunchyroll app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.